Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Live Reviewed. My name is Dave and today we're here with an unboxing for another earbuds. As you know, in our channel for the past few weeks we have been doing the unboxing of a lot of AirPods. There's a reason for that. I'm trying to find a good value for money AirPod. So we did the recent unboxings of the Boat. Do check those out. I'll put the comment, put the description of the video in link of the video in the description below, and on top of the screen you can see this from there. So this one, what we have here is the Noise Earbuds Mini. Let me show you here around the box, and then we can go ahead with the unboxing. So listen to the noise within, and on this side, designed in India, truly wireless earphones. So these are TWS, and there is some award, number one India's most promising brand and Femina power brand. All right, we've been hearing a lot of noise about noise. And yeah, coming to the back, it's the pearl white version, 14 sound driver. So that's one reason I got this. So these the Boats one, this had an 8 driver, and this one had a 13 driver. This is the 131, and this one was the 141, but this one is the biggest of them all. This is a 14.2 sound driver. I will be doing the sound test in the review of this, the full review, so do stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you haven't. So this has full touch control, hypersync in the sense it just quickly pairs with your phone, one key reset. And what do we have? Pearl white, number one, imported, marketed. Alright, the maximum retail price of this is listed at 2,999, but I got this for around 999 during some flash sale that was going on in Flipkart. And noise quality guarantee. Alright, let's go ahead and do the unboxing of this. Plastic everywhere. I wonder where this plastic goes after we do the unboxing of this thing. We just throw it away. I hope it goes somewhere where it's recycled, but that's a topic for another video. We open this. Is there something else? Yeah, another seal here. All right, comes out like a matchbox. Come on. Okay, a black box, very minimalist. And here we go, stickers. Oh, so what is this? A noise maker. This one, I think these are white here. I can see, what is this? Noise maker. Yeah, सुन लो दिल का शोर. Noise, listen to the noise within. And there is a white noise sticker and a red one. Yeah, I like stickers. All right, some paperwork, register your warranty. Great. This these days I see every brand has some sports person in their list. The Boat has a lot of Rohit Rohit Kohli and all those guys. All right, this one is some instruction manual, getting started. All right, another booklet, lot of booklets, how to reset, how to control. Okay, all right, now coming to that foam. Oh, okay, quite small, very small, very. This is the smallest I have seen till now, or whatever I have for all the unboxings of the earbuds that I have done till now. All right, plastic. Okay, the thing is very small, very cute. Some things here. Ooh, this is nice. This is nice. So at the bottom there is this USB-C, a button here to see the charge. So you can see the green light here. I guess green is good. When it turns red, you will have to charge it. And noise branding here. The quality of the plastic is quite good, quite premium feeling. And I can't still get over the fact that it's so small. All right, it's magnetic. But before we show the actual buds, let's see what else is in the box. Should be the cable. That's it. Yeah. Alright, this is the my USB-C cable. Alright, now let's put this aside, and just for comparison purposes, this has actually the case on that, but anyways, you get the idea. This when I got this, the 131 Boat, I thought this was small, but just look at that. I think the battery of that is not, I think it's a 300 mAh battery of the case. And yeah, let's see. All right. Very nice. Of course. What does this remind you? Reminds me of the Apple AirPods. This is inspired by the second generation, the small ones. So there is a sticker here, says remove. So unless you remove this, this won't charge. So we have removed this, and yeah, the charging pins are here, and there is this microphone also here. So both has individual microphone, so you can take one out and you can make calls using that. So here is an additional opening, one here, one here. So that is one more from the boats. I have heard very good things about this. I have heard this has a very good bass, and the call quality, everything is good, and I will be doing the full review of that. Again, stay tuned for that. But there's something written inside. Boat no, sorry, noise earbuds mini. I just what comes to mind. Alright, truly wireless earphones. Yeah, 300 mAh charging case. Yeah, so I was right. The charging case is 300 mAh, and most probably the battery inside the AirPods are something around 30 mAh. So yeah, and we can see the charging pins inside. And let me just open this also. So this is the touch sensitive area. It is marked by a small the small circle, but I'm not sure if there is any LED on the earbuds itself. Boats have them. And does it? Yeah, there it is. It's quite quite hidden, I would say. It's inside the body, and I quite like that. I'm sure it's showing up. So it's charging. And yeah, this is when it is not turned on, you won't even know where the LED is. I really like this, and I'm looking forward to using this. So that's it for today, guys. I'll be doing the full review of that very soon, and I'll be doing the comparison of this with the boat air buds very soon. I have a few more here. This is the Lenovo. I'll be doing the unboxing and review of this very soon, so stay tuned for that. And I'll be doing the complete comparison video of this to let you know what you should buy and what is the best value for your money, which product is that. So subscribe for that, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos here. Bye.